Hello and good afternoon to everyone, and welcome to Sophia Kamau's TV show. Today I'm going to start my garden. We are going out to start digging, mixing up the soil, and then we will plant after that. It is 1 week ahead of time because planting season for many will be next week, which is May long weekend. But for us, we want to give it a head start because we bought our kale, sukumawiki, and it's been sitting outside in the shed. So we are going to plant it and see, and I hope it will be safe. Everything will be perfect. I'm excited about this. Let's go out. Mr. Kamau here had started preparing the garden for me, and there he is. Wow, you've done a great job, honey.
Yeah.
That's amazing. Let's see how you're doing. This is how the Canadians dig their land. You don't have to be lifting a djembe and breaking your back. You just do that. And the soil is soft and you flip it. Is that clay? We might need to fill up a little bit.
With cotton.
See? Wow. Yeah. We need some more dirt. Because the clay, you can see the two variation, dark soil and brown one. Yeah, so he's just mixing up the soil for me, and then we will be planting our kale. Oh, that's a lot of work. Thank you so much.
No, it doesn't take much time.
Yeah, it's a lot. Yeah, maybe using the djembe will make it faster, but you'll be tired, more tired. Yeah.
See, the problem with the djembe, you're also hurting your back.
Yeah.
This one you don't.
You don't hurt your back. Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, we started our planting early, a week ahead of everybody, and this is what we have done with the sukumawiki, and we bought them about 2 weeks ago, and they've been growing while they are here. And yeah, so it's planting season, and this time we have less sukumawiki than usual, right, Kamal?
Yes.
Yeah, how many less this time?
We
normally have 1 or 8.
And now I think we have 76.
76 this time, and it's plenty enough to take us until next summer. So that is the little garden. It's quite big anyway. It's not small, and it's great job. The planting is done now. It's time to do the watering. And for sure, they will survive. Ooh, nice breeze, but don't wash me, please. Yeah, this time they look spaced out nicely, eh? Yeah. We've been making them too many, but this one is still okay. There will be enough for taking us year around. Yeah.
Even sharing with our neighbors.
Yeah, that's amazing. Yeah. Cool. Thank you for the beautiful work you've done. Our planting is done, the watering is done, and now I can't wait to see the progress of my vegetables. I am so excited. I hope this summer we are going to have another fun gardening season, and we're gonna have plenty of vegetables. I encourage everyone to plant as much as you can, because the cost of living has gone high. So if you can save on vegetables and small things like cilantro, the onion, because I'm gonna plant that too in my other section of the garden, in the other side of the fence. So please, I encourage everyone, let's go gardening, let's challenge each other. You can save a few dollars here and there. At the end of the day, it adds up and you will save a lot. And then if you're like me, you don't have to buy some vegetable for the whole year. That will be great savings. Until we see you again in another beautiful video, bye.